we gon' do this my way. I'm running around like you forget who I am, but I made you, don't you forget that. Starting on your friends like you and hop on my wave. I helped your style, I helped you grind, and you know for damn sure I'll always ride. Your mama always call me in, that's alright.
Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you like my content, feel free to like, share, subscribe, click that notification down below so you'll be notified each time I post a video. Today I'll be doing a hair review. Without further ado, let's get to it. This is the packaging of the unit, and it is from Meyfell from Amazon Hair Store. Unit came with a wig cap. Unit has a comb at the back, adjustable strap, a comb in the middle, and 2 combs on either side. This is how the hairline is looking, and guys, this is pre-pluck, but as always, you can go in and pluck the hairline to your own liking. I'll go right ahead and put the unit on. This is their 13x4 body wave lace front human hair wig. It came pre-plucked, but as always guys, you can go in and customize the unit to your own liking. It is 16 inches and I went in and shampooed the hair guys, so this is why all the waves are gone. I'll turn around so you guys can see the back of the wig.
No, I can't leave, 'cause baby I need you. I was young, I was dumb, I was wrong. I was stupid, baby, I was just wrong.
I am putting the unit in a ponytail in order to customize it.
You're the one now, gotta say it, I gotta say it. I was stupid, baby, I was doing me. Now I'm looking at you scared away. And the bad things you really moving on.
When laying your lace, you want to make sure you remove all the excess lace before gluing it down.
Now I'm looking at you get away. And the mad wild going on. You're the one now, gotta say, I gotta say, I was wrong. I was stupid, baby, I was now I'm looking at you.
Now that I remove all the excess lace, I'll go ahead and cut the unit in 3 so it is easier to lay. I'll be using the Got2b gel and the beaded spray to lay the lace.
You have been even more than I could dream of. Every joy you've given me, I can't forget. There's no regret. We took things slow, and I learned all of your virtues. But the one that lifted me, you already know. Wait and see how my arms hold you forever.
Now I'll go in and cut the lace with my scissors.
With me, I feel my dreams for us coming true. We build a space for me and you, so the things that I will vow will mean everything to me. I'm ready to be a home for you. I'm ready to raise all my dreams
I am adding my Maybelline Fit Me powder to the lace.
As you place your hands in mine, and
you can style the unit as a center part or a deep side part.
you walking down to me. You look beautiful in white, and I found to protect you for all time. I dream you're standing next to me as you place your hands in mine, and
You know a girl gotta add some teenager hair to this unit.
all the rest. I dream you walking down to me. You look beautiful in white, and I found to protect you for all time. I dream you're standing next to me as you place your hands in mine, and I found to be yours, found to love you for the
I am adding my concealer to the parting space. I am going in with the medium one curl to add some waves to the hair. And guys, I am trying to mimic the waves that came with the unit, so I'm not using the smallest one curl because I don't want the waves to be too defined.
See, as I hear your voice next to me, flashbacks coming in scenes, highlighting perfect memories. I remember how our hands used to touch, conversation with no
Now I'll go in with the Kira Care Walk Stick to get rid of the flyaways and give the hair additional sheen.
miles into gray skies. You became her best to be, and you became my Mr. Gray Skies. You took the best of me and turned it into the worst of me. Mr. Gray Skies, I have to go on the more we try.
This is a gorgeous unit. You can wear it curly, straight, or wavy. It is 16 inches, guys, but you can go and check Meyfell from Amazon Hair Store, guys, and you can get up to 30 inches. It came pre-plucked. The density is 150%. The unit is beard friendly. I experienced minimal shedding, no tangling from this unit. So guys, if you're interested, the link is in the description down below. You can go and check Meyfell or Meyfell hair out. Thank you for watching, you all. Until next time, bye.
Spirit hides from me as tears run down my face. I hear your voice say you'll be okay, but it was all a dream. It was all a dream. Mr. Gray